I had a heavy meal yesterday with beans and potatoes, so it's gas and bloating. So I thought of making a tea specially for gas and bloating. And the main ingredient here is ajwain, carom seeds. In a pot, take ajwain, carom seeds, keep the gas low. They will start spluttering. So once they start popping out, even they will release a very nice flavorful smell. Make sure you keep the gas on low because at once they splutter, they'll get burnt very easily within few seconds. So after they're spluttering, you add water. So I'm adding 2 glasses of water here. Ajwain is very good for digestion, mouth freshener, increase your metabolism for cold and cough. It's my must to have spice at home and in my bag also. I'm adding some mint leaves. I just tear it with my hands. You can chop it. When the water is hot enough, add mint leaves and let it boil very nicely. I boil it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and the flavorful smell is so good with the mint and ajwain. Uh, so let it boil, and then you can add a sweetener of your choice. I'm adding jaggery here, or without sweetener also it tastes good. So I'm going to put up the gas stove, cover it, and let it simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. This tea is very good after meal for digestion, for increasing metabolism, and serve this hot. Tastes really good, and it's really good for even cough and cold. You can also put a slice of lemon in there. So do try this and let me know if you have any questions or comments.